fashion and lifestyle accessory designer, and I'll be sharing my experiences, how I came to this industry, how I started things, and I have a lot of questions that need to be answered. So I'll be doing that in this video. See, ready-made clothes are easily available, and designer clothes require a lot of time, efforts, and designer clothing में या तो collection होता है या तो आप customize करवाते हो अपने हिसाब से, तो it's not easily available. But whereas ready-made, it is affordable, it is ready to pick, and मैं ये नहीं बोलूँ सिर्फ affordable होता है. There are things which are readily available, but they are like expensive. They are pretty nicely conceptualized pieces, but they are ready. आपके सामने वो पड़े हैं, आप इजीली उनको पिक करके लेके जाके पहन सकते हो. बट डिजाइनर वेयर में यू नीड टू गिव टाइम फॉर दैट, विच इज व्हाई लोग उतना टाइम नहीं देना चाहते हैं, या उतना टाइम सेव करना चाहते हैं, या उतना एफर्ट सेव करना चाहते हैं, विच इज व्हाई वो इजीली ऑप्ट कर लेते हैं रेडीमेड्स को. Graduation, how you need to start your business is like obviously you've learned a lot of things in your studying phase of life, and then comes a time when you need to explore the reality, the real world. आपने सारे basics सब कुछ सीख लिए. Now it's time to explore what is happening around you, what is the client you're targeting. So you really need to first go out, explore the market, fetch out what fabrics are there. आप किस चीज पे काम कर सकते हो, हाउ टू डील विद आर्टिजन्स, हाउ टू डील विद द मैनेजमेंट टीम, हाउ टू मैनेज योर थिंग्स. जब चीजें कॉलेज या स्कूल लाइफ से प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में आ जाती हैं, इट्स ह्यूज डिफरेंस व्हेन यू टॉकिंग अबाउट थिंग्स एंड व्हेन यू एक्चुअली डूइंग इट. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग योर बिजनेस, आई थिंक माय फर्स्ट सजेशन इज दैट यू कंप्लीट योर एक्सप्लोरेशन. आपको कहाँ से फैब्रिक सोर्स करना है, आपको किस टाइप के कलेक्शन बनाने हैं. जैसे for me, what I did was I wanted to travel the whole India to know about all the craft. And जब मुझे पता होगा, जब मेरे पास information feeded होगी, then only I'll be able to work ahead. And एक बार मेरा store खुल जाएगा, एक बार I have responsibilities, I'll get stuck. So before getting stuck with responsibilities, please learn everything out and explore everything possible. And then comes the time when you can do things. ऐसा नहीं कि you need a space to put your designs. आजकल एक तो social media बहुत बड़ा platform है, wherein you can just upload your designs and they can be sold, they can be praised. And if you have a space wherein you can allow or let people experience your clothes, वो ज़्यादा beneficial होगा. Institute I would recommend is NIFT, wherein you learn a lot of things. Plus, you have such a good exposure to your surroundings, the atmosphere. The people come from different parts of the country, of the world to learn there. So, apart from the institute, it also really matters आप किनके साथ पढ़ रहे हो. So dramatic sound करेगा, but एक और institute है जहाँ हम बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, that is life, because it's not really necessary, या आपको एकदम डिपेंडेंट नहीं होना है कि मैं इंस्टीट्यूट जाके ही सीखूँ या इंस्टीट्यूट से ही सीखूँ. आप एवरी डे यू कैन हैव लर्निंग. इवन इफ यू आर स्टडिंग, यू कैन एक्सप्लोर थिंग्स, यू कैन लर्न थिंग्स फ्रॉम पीपल अराउंड यू, फ्रॉम टेलर्स अराउंड यू. What is a fashion design? I think it is every minute's importance, because without fashion designers, I don't think so you can carry any look. Even if it's your basic socks, it is designed by some designer, right? So आपके छोटी से छोटी फैशन की चीज से बड़ी से बड़ी चीज लेकर everything is designed every minute. हर मिनट या हर सेकंड कोई ना कोई दिमाग लगा रहा है to design that thing so that one day you can wear it. So it is very important that we have fashion designers who come up with new concepts, new things, ताकि day by day we can start experimenting with ourselves and make ourselves look good. We can help people look good. So yeah, fashion designers are really important. Advertising, after opening the store, okay, so now you have a location wherein people can come and see your designs, your outfits, your collection. So I think social media is a bigger platform for any design to come out in the world, because जब आप स्टोर खोलते हो तो आप अपने एरिया को बता सकते हो थ्रू द स्टोर, बट हाउ डू यू रीच आउट टू द वर्ल्ड? सो सोशल मीडिया के बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं जहाँ पर आप अपने डिजाइन्स को ऐसे कंटेंट के साथ अपलोड करो सो दैट इट रीचेज योर डिजायर्ड क्लाइंटेल, या डिजायर जैसे आपने कलेक्शन बनाया है फॉर हाइटेड मेन और फॉर फॉर पीपल हु विद डार्कर कॉम्प्लेक्शन. सो मेक श्योर कि आपका जो मैसेज है वो सही लोगों तक सही तरीके से पहुंचे. Create that photo shoot, create that appealing images, and then upload them. Apart from social media, you can do collaborations with bloggers, with celebrities. जब आप celebrities या कोई known faces आपके designs पहनते हैं तो लोग ज़्यादा connect कर पाते हैं. And apart from this, you can give ads in places. And सबसे बड़ा आपका advertisement होता है word of mouth. Because जब कोई design पहन के लोग आपसे खुश होते हैं, आपके design से खुश होते हैं, they spread it to 100 more people. So yeah, that is a key feature. According to me, is a mutual benefit. Collaboration तब होता है जब दो लोग या multiple लोग जो भी साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, collaboration कर रहे हैं, सबका benefit हो. It's not just एक ही इंसान का benefit हो या एक इंसान को output मिले, बाकी जितने लोग involved हैं उन सबका benefit हो और उन सबको benefits हमेशा काम आए. Inspiration for me could be, I think, anything, because मैं कभी market में जा रहा हूँ and if I see people are having problem, wearing stiff clothing, या suppose मुझे denim बहुत ज़्यादा irritate करता है, so I really like cool या comfortable wearing, तो एक comfort मेरे लिए बहुत matter कर जाता है. Then second is colors. I don't want to get stuck to grays and blacks and the usual colors basics. So I like experimenting with color. तो inspiration आपको कहीं से भी मिल सकती है. It's just that जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगे, pick that and make your collection. Every jewelry designer is equally important as any other designer, because ज्वेलरी जिनको पसंद है उनके लिए ज्वेलरी ट्रेंड सेट करते हैं. वो ऐसे ज्वेलरीज डिजाइन करते हैं जो किसी के लिए कंफर्टेबल हो सकता है, किसी के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट कर सकता है, किसी के लिए बहुत की फीचर होता है. सो ज्वेलरी डिजाइनर्स डिजाइन सच ज्वेलरी फॉर एवरी ओकेजन, फॉर एवरी पर्सन, एंड accessories are very important to every styling. So jewelry designers play a very important role. Families in India, or I don't know, I should say this or not, but then a lot of people find it a taboo that men should not get into fashion designing, because industry में ऐसे बहुत सारे experiences लोगों ने देखे हैं जहाँ पर men they think that men turn into a feminist behavior because they start doing designing. So there's nothing like that. Or maybe it's they think that men get harassed or something like that in the industry because of the non-accepted sexual preferences in the society. So which is why families don't allow men to get into fashion designing. उनको लगता है कि this is a creative thing which should be done by only women, and men should do the technical part more, and they should get into the technical zone of society wherein there is more money. ऐसा नहीं है. Fashion designing में you have money and it does not changes your orientation at all. No career does that, first of all. And fashion designing, if it is done by men, and if it is done for men's wear, I think there could be nobody else better than a man to understand what men want, right? My journey from what not to this where I am today. So basically, what I believe is that in life you always have this sudden twist or sudden turn in life, and you realize that what really motivates you or what makes you go mad or sleepless all night. So what my plan was that I wanted to be an architect. This is again a creative field. I've always been creative, but architecture somehow got me back to Raipur, and I wanted to go ahead with the interior designing plan. And that was the moment when my mom started imitation jewelry business, and I just wanted to help her out because she was all alone, and I could just get some time out of my college zone to spend with her, and I could meet more and more people. So when I started working with her, I developed an interest in jewelry, and I developed it so much, and we got such good response from people. The way I connected and presented jewelry for them. So I went for further studies in jewelry designing. And jewelry designing, जब मैं कर रहा था, when I finished, I did my internship, and I got an opportunity to work for a collection that was going to be launched in Kalagoda Art Festival. That's a huge platform for any creative designer who works on handmade or handcrafted things. So when I launched my collection, honestly, I just went there to enjoy. But I got a massive response from the people in Mumbai, and that was the twist in my life. I started working with an NGO. I shifted to Ahmedabad, wherein I was working with all kind of sections, in the creative zone. Like it was accessories, it was clothing, it was furnishing, it was a whatnot. But jewelry के साथ साथ मुझे fashion बहुत ज़्यादा connect करने लगा. I never wanted to get into fashion designing because मेरे को लगता है कि यार इतना technical होता है, इतनी सारी चीजें होती हैं, क्यों मैं जाऊँ? But accessories is like incomplete without fashion. So जैसे मुझे shoot करवाना होता था या मुझे कुछ करना होता था, I started learning about fashion. Then when I visited a lot of places in our country because of the NGO, because of the handcrafted, handmade things, so I found out a lot of crafts of India. How artisans are really working with fabrics, how are they beautifully designing things and making masterpieces in fashion. And that's where when I really learned about fashion. Then when I shifted back to Raipur, I wanted to have my roots somewhere connected to fashion and accessory. Though I had my family business to look after, and I had to really give a lot of time to it. So Sundays was my off. Sundays I started getting free time when I can, I could go to the tailors, I could get my desired collections tailored. And one fine day I get a call from a friend of mine, and he says that, Runar, I'm doing menswear blogging, and can I have your clothes? I was like, yeah, of course, because मेरा कोई scene था ही नहीं to start a business or two. I had my own goals for the family business. And he did it. He did the shoot. He uploaded. I got good response from people. People started approaching me, and that was the time when I was like, "ठीक है, मैं Sundays को तो time निकाल ही सकता हूँ अपने लिए." And trust me, after that I started making कभी एक shirt, कभी दो shirt in a week. And जब मेरा collection like 10-15 outfit का हो जाता था after 3-4 months, one fine day I would just get up at like 4 o'clock in the morning. I would go for the shoot. Because I wanted early sunrise or sunset shoots. मुझे nature बहुत inspire करता है, so मेरे maximum shoots outdoor होते थे. तो I used to get up that early with all the excitement, जाना, shoot कराना, and लेकर जब आने के बाद pictures आती थी, उनको edit करके उनको upload करना. That was like very exciting journey when I had to also handle my family business. धीरे चीजें grow हुई, and I started getting response. I started getting orders actually. And जब orders आने लगे तो I was like कि ठीक है, at least मैं Sundays को time निकाल सकता हूँ for my collections. And there was a day when my family saw, when my family heard the beautiful response I was getting on social media. And social media was a bigger, I think, very big platform for me to change my life. And it got me all my dreams, when in a stroke that my family was like, now you live your dreams, you look forward to what you want to do. and we believe in you. Whatever you'll do it, do the best. And by the time my family agreed, I had huge number of people who were ready to motivate me, praise me, and be my support. So I'm really thankful to all of those people who thought that my experimental clothing could be a fashion, fashion goal for a lot of people, for a lot of designers, a lot of bloggers. I started also collaborating with bloggers and celebrities, and I started getting opportunities for fashion weeks and all. And now I have my store. It's a lot of responsibility after having your own thing, and I hope with all of your support, all of your love, I grow to the top. At the end, I would say everybody has a story. Everybody is not perfect. There are a lot of things that you learn every day, every minute until your last breath, and there is no end to knowledge. शायद मैंने अपनी स्टोरी अपनी बहुत शॉर्ट में बताई हो, शायद मेरे सजेशंस फीडबैक्स बहुत छोटे रूप में आपके सामने आए हो, बट अगर आप डीप में सोचो तो देयर इज अ लॉट दैट यू कैन रियली लर्न फ्रॉम एवरी सिंगल इंडिविजुअल अराउंड यू. आई एम ऑलवेज देयर टू सपोर्ट यू पीपल. Whenever you need me, whenever you need to know anything, I can always help you. And a thumbs up, support, love, hugs to every designer inside you. I hope I have a lot of menswear designers soon in future around me I get to work with. And menswear designing is a great journey. For Sugar, I would say my best wishes, my love, my support, my dedication will always be there for you people, because you as a family to me are doing a lot for people, putting efforts to make people grow, to people to prosper, and Sugar is very close to my heart. So yeah.